In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. Managing your business finances is so much easier with tools like QuickBooks Online. But sometimes default settings may not align with your preferences. For example, automatic invoice reminders can be helpful, but they may not suit every business or client relationship. Luckily, QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to turn these reminders off whenever you need to. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of disabling automatic invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. And if you're new to QuickBooks, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, sign in to the appropriate company account in QuickBooks Online. If you manage multiple companies, make sure you're logged into the correct one where you want to modify these settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard there. You'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the settings menu, which gives you access to all the behind-the-scenes options for managing your account. From the drop-down menu, select Accounts and Settings. This is where you can adjust many of your preferences for how QuickBooks operates. Next, on the left-hand side of the Accounts and Settings window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Sales. This tab contains settings related to your invoicing and sales processes. Now, scroll down the page until you reach the Reminders section. It may take a moment to find, but keep scrolling until you see the heading labeled Reminders. Click on the Reminders section to expand it. This will display the specific settings related to automatic invoice reminders. Here you'll see a toggle switch for automatic invoice reminders. To turn off these reminders, simply toggle the switch to the off position. When it's off, the switch will appear gray instead of blue or green. After making this adjustment, be sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which should be visible on the screen, and click it. This ensures that your new setting is applied. Once you've saved your changes, you can close the Accounts and Settings window at this point. Automatic invoice reminders are now disabled for this specific company. If you manage multiple companies in QuickBooks Online and want to turn off reminders for other accounts, you'll need to repeat these same steps for each company. Just sign in to the next company account, follow the process, and adjust the settings accordingly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.